So, I have my Oakley Vanguard meta glasses. When I bought them, I purchased the black frame and the 24K lenses. So this isn't a video to talk about the features. There are plenty of videos online you can get for that. This is just mainly to show how the glasses look with different color lenses. So I bought, when I bought these glasses, you could get white frames or black frames. And then there were only certain color lenses you could get with each frame. So for example, you can get the black frame with this 24K lenses, but you couldn't get the 24K in the white frame. They have black lenses, which is what I really wanted, but they only came in the white frame, but I wanted the black frame. So I'm sure that was a marketing thing, but whatever. At that point, they didn't have replacement lenses out yet, but they just recently released replacement lenses that you could buy to swap the lenses out. So I purchased a couple, and I'm going to attempt to change these lenses out here from the 24K to the black lenses, and hopefully without breaking the glasses, because, you know, two things. One, I really like these. They're really excellent glasses with all the features that they have. But two, they're also very expensive. So I watched a video on how to replace them, so we'll see if we can do that. So I think the video showed that the first thing is to try to unhook the glasses from the lenses here at the nose. So I'm going to try to do that. And it always looks easier on the video. So it looks like that if I unhook out the front, it'll be the easiest way to do it. You know what? I'm going to turn off the video and see if I can get these lenses out, because it's not coming out as easy as I thought it would, and I don't want to be fooling around trying to make a video and break them. There are videos that show how to replace the lenses. So I'm going to try to replace it, then come back and just show you what the new lens looks like in the glasses. So as you can see here, I have the 24K, and it also has the 24K color here on the temple. That won't change. The only thing that changes is the main lens here. So regardless of what color lens you put in, you're going to be stuck with whatever color you have on the temple here, which I don't think is a big deal. But I'm going to stop the video and see what we can do here. Okay, got the lens out, but it's not as easy as it seems in the video. So you just have to work it. It feels like you're going to break something, but you have to be careful. What I found is when you're unhooking from the nose bridge here, what they don't really make clear in the video is that you need to push on the inside portion here of the nose bridge rather than trying to pull the lens out. Push on the inside portion and pull the lens out, because you're trying to get the glasses out of this groove here. So I found that if I put my thumb here and push, that happens. And then the same thing on the other side. And then the top of the glasses here have a sort of a lip on it that sets up in this groove here. So when you're popping them out of the top there, the same thing. Once you get it popped out of the top, then the left and right comes out pretty easy. But take your time, don't force it, because it feels like that if you're not careful, that something could break. Fortunately, mine didn't. So I have the lens out. I ordered two replacement lenses. One's the Prism Sapphire. I'll set those aside for a minute. And then the other is the Prism Black. And those are the ones that I want to put in here. I do like the 24K lenses, but I want something that is a bit darker, and these black lenses are supposed to be a bit darker. I use these for outdoor biking, hiking, in the bright sun. I live near the beach, so although the 24K is good, I want an option that's just a little darker. So open up and see what we have here. Box is empty. Okay, we have a replacing your lens guide and the lens covered here. And then the new black lenses. Okay, look pretty good. Have something at the bottom there. I can't really see something written there. Just a minute, let me see what this says. Well, it says Prism. Okay. I don't know that the other, yeah, it's marked on the other ones as well, down at the bottom. So, down at the bottom here, Prism. Okay. Looks good. So let's see if I can get these back in. You're just supposed to sort of reverse the process. So let's see if I can do this on camera now. So I'm supposed to put the left side in the hook here. Snapped in. Then you're supposed to snap in the other side. And a lot of crinking and crackling here. Makes me a little nervous, but let's see. Alright, that one's in. Then you're supposed to pop it in the top groove. It'll sure make it look a lot easier in the video. And I have this camera sitting in front of me taking the video. It's probably making it tougher than it really should be. So let me try this. So see what I mean? I'm taking my finger here on the inside, and I'm going to pull this in to pop that in. And then the same thing over here. Pull this in to pop that in. And then I think the last thing is I still have to seat the top in the groove a little bit. So I'm going to turn off the video a minute, see if I can get that top seated, and then I'll come back. Okay, success. So I have the black lenses in. And again, as you can see, I still have the 24K here, but that actually doesn't look bad. But nice lenses for the way they look on. Here. And I can tell they are a good bit darker, but even in the room here with light, I can see fine, but they are going to be a bit darker, which is what I want. Now, the main purpose of this video, I had some people asking to see the black lenses and the black frames when I got them, so I made the video for that. But what I've learned here is that taking the lenses out and putting them back in is not for the faint of heart. I think now that I've done it, I'm not going to be so nervous about it in the future. I think the key again is it just doesn't seem to be as simple as the video shows, but the key is to push the nose bridge here to pop the bottom out on each side, and then pop the top up, so the top's out of the groove, and then it should be pretty easy then to just twist the left and right side out. The one thing I would say is that before you replace the lens, look closely at the top of the glasses up across this top part here. You're going to see a bevel on the glasses here, still at the top when you look closely. Look at that, because when you take the lenses out and put the others in, what I did is I fooled around with it for 5 minutes thinking that my glasses wasn't in the groove because I could still see that bevel, but actually they were seated in the groove. So that'll keep you from maybe, fooling with it too much and potentially cracking something, trying to get it on up in there when it is actually seated. So just look at it really well before you take the lenses out, and then that'll give you a good idea when you put the lenses back in as to when you have them seated. But I think after you do it once or twice, then it's not that bad. So anyway, I think I'm going to like these. Hope this helps somebody in either choosing a lens or getting through the process of popping these lenses out and putting new ones in, because it's it can be a little intimidating.